Welcome to Perkins. Ready to order?
Good afternoon, I'm Marge, your produce psychic for today. So pet lovers can worry less and love more. One chew, 12 weeks? Bravo. It's always about timing. If it's too soon, no one understands. And if it's too late, we've only got an hour until our flight. Try the other lot.
You decided where we're going on vacation?
Well,
Did you go to Hotels.com? Just let me do this. That time of year again. Yes, flu season is upon us. And it's the perfect time to stop by any one of our 36 Big Y pharmacy and wellness centers for your seasonal flu shot.
Come on, you can tell me. Where'd you get it? I mean, how did you afford
As we
that?
are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
Some people think it's a little strange that I talk to my plants, but I know that my garden always grows best when I come along to brighten its day.